Saan ang alak, te?
This Filipina was tending their store when a customer arrived and said, "One gin, please." But what the Filipina said next was so unexpected and hilarious that it left everyone laughing.
But before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss the next story.
Saan ang alak, te?
Yung lalaki na to, alak na naman.
Te, oh.
Hindi sana, itong pinambili mo, inipon mo na lang. Total, araw-araw ka naman nag-aalak dito, bumibili ng alak. Inipon mo na lang pambili ng bahay. At, hey, may lupa ka na sana at bahay, house in lot. Kakabili mo ng gin.
Ikaw, te, umiinom ka, te?
Hindi.
May bayat lupa ka, te?
Wala, nangungupahan nga lang ako dito kay ano.
Oo, wag kang makialam, wag kang makialam. Di, yung alak. Di, alamira ka.
Oh,
Tinda ka lang dyan, wala kang pang ginagawa ko.